Today we're headed out to Raymond Race Track in Thane.
A little anxious about his new tires. He's not worried about the gearbox, guys. He's worried about the tires. Remember that, rich guy.
What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're headed out to Raymond Race Track in Thane. We're going to this event called BadBoiDrifts, set up by my boy Mudit. Everyone's going to be there. KS, Imran, obviously. It's going to be a fun time. And let's see, we might get out on the skid pad and the drift pad and get a little dirty. Let's see. Car's looking really clean now. We got a little addition added on to the M3, so hopefully it makes it there in one piece, because you'll see why. So as you can see, guys, we added an Alpina style front lip. Let's see if it could hold up in the Mumbai roads. Right now, we're on our way to Raymond Race Track in Thane. Got a little delayed because I had to wait for a few friends last moment. Yeah, hopefully we get there on time in one piece. Finally, we got to Thane. Finally. Took so long. By the way, my old 3 Series is over there. If you know, you know. OG guys would know.
Like 10 years ago?
Yeah, I got it 10 years ago. Brand new. I think he still has the same air freshener. Anyways, we're about to pull in. It's going to be a lit scene. We're kind of late, but we're not that late, surprisingly. And we're also not late because of the weather for once. So, yeah. Here now in Thane, there's an autocross going on right now. Different variety of cars. You got all the drift cars up here, straight from Delhi, as you can see. Let me see if I can find Mudit, the man responsible. There's Imran's Alford. Got some new wheels. How sick is that? Some sick OZC bearings. And that's his Turbo Swift. Let me know, comment below if you guys want me to do a video on this. It's a turbocharged Suzuki Swift Sport. Everything in this car is from a Suzuki Swift Sport, what comes in Japan or other countries. Look at the dual exhaust, and this is actually turbocharged too, so gonna be a fun car to watch. 6 on this tight track. That thing's a missile. One of the many drift cars Mudit has built. So basically he's built a bunch of these 203 C classes for this event. This is actually built by KS, my bad. But yeah, they just got a bunch of these 203 manual C classes, stripped them out completely. The inside is just filthy. But no doors, no bonnet, full wing production. And you got the camber plates to camber out the wheels, easier to drift. And obviously your hydraulic e-brake. Welcome back, guys. We're gonna do an MTV Cribs tour of Mr. Karan Shah's track vanity van. Let's go. So can we come in?
Of course.
What are you acting to be on? He was acting to be on the phone.
I'm actually calling.
Yeah, he just called someone.
I'm actually
He's trying to look like he's important.
Hey, change your rear left tire. Rear left. I saw it on the way in. That's why I'm calling him here.
So Zane just discovered the bathroom in this. Check it out. This thing's bigger than the one in my house. Damn. Yes, being KS.
हरिद्वार में मारेंगे हाँ मेरे साथ आ इधर आ जा इधर We're gonna drive Rishabh's M3 now and do some donuts. So guys, that's Rishabh. He's not looking too pleased, a little stressed, a little anxious about his new tires. He's not worried about the gearbox, guys. He's worried about the tires. Remember that, rich guy. No gearbox problems in life, only tires.
530i. The camera doesn't do justice, but this paint job is insane. It's kick shift green. Let's just call it kick shift green. The kick shift did the paint job. But this used to be the 530i me and Imran had picked up as a project car. A good friend of ours, Darius, he's over there. He offered us a price we couldn't refuse. So here it is. He's doing it up, and this car came out and turned out so well. Full restoration done. Check it out, man. So clean. Just driving home now with the boys. Luckily, these boys live in my area, so I have some company driving back. Sick event, man. Shout out to Bad Boy Mudit for putting it together. Everyone who was there, KS, Kick Shift was there, repping as well. So, fun time, sick event, a lot more to come. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. See you guys soon.